Alright, here we are with Activity 5-1, creating user accounts. We're going to create some accounts with some different options just to experiment and see all the options that can be set during account creation. So first we're going to log on as administrator, which I've already done, and open Active Directory, users and computers. So once that is open, we want to expand the domain node and click the test OU, which we've already have. Then click the new user toolbar icon. So that is new user right there. So once we click that, that pops up. So we want the user logon name to be test user 3. The next button is not ready yet because we need the name. So his first name is going to be test and his last name is going to be user 3. So once we've got that done, you can see it fills the full name box right here, and it's ready to go. So we'll hit next, and for the password we are going to type P, the @ 2 $, word. And then we will click down here so the user cannot change the password. So you have to only have one, you can't have both of these selected, is what that error code was telling us. So we'll go next. Passwords do not match. Let's try that again. Capital, not a capital, lowercase p, @ $, word, $, word. Alright. So this is telling us it doesn't like the password that we set. Okay, let's go back. And we're going to do the same password. We're just going to add a 1 on the end of it. And there you go, test user 3 has been created. And now we are going to just switch over to the test user 3. And the password is lowercase p, @ $, word 1. So that's logging us in there. Okay, so once we get there, if we can do a Control-Delete right there, it brings up this menu. We can change the password. So the old password was P $, word 1. The new password is going to be the same thing with a 2 at the end. Click the arrow and we get the message access is denied. And that's because when we set up this user, we set him up so he can never change his password. So that will not allow us to do that. So we'll go ahead and log that one off. And then log back in as administrator. And we're going to create another user. And we're going to call him test user 4. And we'll do a password for him. Capital P, password 01 is going to be his password. And then we're going to click down here to account is disabled. And then finish. So we can see just by looking on this window that test user 4's icon has this down arrow right next to him, letting you know that it's disabled. And if we open the users folder here, we can also see that the guest user is also disabled as well. So, and that is just a little bit about creating user accounts, Activity 5-1. Thank you very much.